Alright guys, so I'm gonna use what I have here handy on hand. I'm gonna try not to buy anything. So I think I'm gonna use is gonna be these two pieces of metal bar. They usually use it for concrete, whatnot. So we have two pieces right here. Alright, and this is a piece of stainless steel plate that I had welded. I cut the weld that I welded my last video and take it out from the metal plate. So this one I'm gonna cut it in half. Alright, and of course we need our bottle that is gonna go in gel. It's gonna get locked up. Oh my shit, no more alcohol. Oh my gosh, why? Alright, but without further ado guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, so we have our 4 pieces of bar right here cut in half. So we have 4 total. We have 2 pieces of stainless steel right there. It took like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cutting wheels. There were 4-inch cutting wheels. They were not the 6-inch cutting wheels, otherwise cut it faster. Also, when I used the Metabo brand cutting this, the last one that I used, man, that one cut like butter, and it lasts longer than these other brands. These were, I don't know what brand they were, but they were not Metabo brand, guys. Just a quick tip, they were this brand. I don't know what brand that is, but Metabo brand is the best that you can get when it comes to cutting this. All right, just a quick tip right there. All right, so now I'm gonna prep these ones right here, these metal bars right here that I cut in half. I'm probably gonna clean them with the tiger paw right here. Clean them real good, make them nice and shiny. Clean the stainless steel as well, so we can go ahead and weld them together. All right, so without further ado, let's get it. Alright guys, so we have our 4 pieces of bar right here, all cleaned up with the tiger paw. Right here, 2 pieces of stainless steel, clean, ready to go. So we have our bottle of vodka right here. It's gonna get locked up. So now we're gonna put my helmet and weld it together. Alright. and sexy welding people from YouTube. That was it for today's video, guys. Quick project right here. I don't want to say I'm not gonna drink no more, because who knows, you know, temptation is really hard. But this is part of my goals for this year. I'm gonna have to lock this demon for a while now. This is not a joke. You know, some people do this and give it to somebody as a gift. Maybe I give it to somebody, but I think I'm just gonna put it on my bedroom or my living room, so you can see it, that as a reminder, you know, that I need to lock this demon for a little bit. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye.